Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, we're going to go over Dogecoin today, but first let me give you guys an update. We just ended up winning our 86th for 86th win. 85 for 85 was yesterday. Today was 86 for 86. I literally just called this out this morning, and we took a 7.37% profit on Ethereum, and it is still going up. We are now at 8.86% on our remaining 50% here, and I might actually move this up a little bit higher for us to lock in more profits. But great job, guys, following this channel and getting into our setups here. Here's what I'm gonna do on this video, because I want to respect the people who've been following me for a long time. They just don't want to hear sells the whole time in the video. The first half of this video, I will dive into the analysis of Dogecoin. I'll show you guys the metrics. And in the second half, I'll show you guys how to sign up for our membership so you guys do not miss another trade. I'll also show you guys the Black Friday sale that is literally ending in 24 hours. So do not miss that. The bundle pack is what you guys want to get. All right, let's go over the analysis. Dogecoin is looking great, guys. I was really hoping that we were going to hit our second buy limit, and we did. So the trade entry here was on October 29th for 28 cents. We're going to call it 28. Close enough. We ended up buying this dip here from the high. We ended up buying on here on October 28th. I know, literally, it's over a month. I keep track of everything on these videos, okay? Everything's transparent. We then ended up holding this trade forever until we hit our second buy limit here on November 26th, almost a month later at 0.20. And we are so close here to entering back into the profit here on a break even and pushing above. This could happen before Friday if the market keeps continuing. But however, whatever conjunction word you want to put in there, we could be heading down. And let me explain to you guys why I believe that. Okay, let's start here. We've broken the descending resistance, which is bullish. I'm not going to lie. Like, this is a bullish formation. We could be breaking up here and seeing bulls take over. Michael Saylor just put a ridiculous amount of cryptocurrency, just bought a large amount. So this could be triggering a lot of institutions to follow suit, and we could be seeing a market move up here before the end of the year. However, watch the price versus the well money flow, as well as the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. This is showing me here that all the retail trader indicators, the RSI, stochastic, MACD, are all bullish, and we're starting to see the moving averages turn bullish, where these guys are going to look to buy this. With that said, we need to look at the trend exhaustion down here, as well as the price versus well money flow. And before making conclusions here, let's look to see what's happened in the past when we've come to this area. And I'm going to move this up here so we can see a little bit more. Just obviously we're not that high, but follow me here. What I want you guys to do is watch this. What happened last time we pushed in the top red section here? Dogecoin could not move up any further, and we saw him move back down. The previous time before that, this is not like cherry picking. Look at all the ones that happened exactly at this moment here. We saw them move back down. Previous time before that, perfectly pushed in the top red section, the price of Dogecoin could not go any higher, and we saw him move down. Previous time before that, this is where we got this wick value candle up here. We did not head any higher. Dogecoin stopped for our indicator, as well as the well money flow up here. Every time this is happening, we're also seeing the well money flow in green push higher. We move back down. Interesting. Now look at the previous time before that. We were able to call this drop on this channel. If you guys were watching the updates, we did not FOMO. I said we are not going to FOMO into this, and we're going to wait for the drop back down here to get picked up. Now, we were already in a trade, and we were looking for the second buy limit to get hit. But this was the call over here where I was like, do not FOMO into this. Be patient. We took, obviously, I'm going to take the advice I give you guys because we're trading over here. We waited patiently for a drop back down. That's how we entered into this trade. Looking over here, again, we see that the trend exhaustion is high in the top red section, as well as the well money flow. Dogecoin moved back down. We are calling the drops on cryptocurrency almost every single time with deadly accuracy in here, and this is why I spend so much time showing this to you guys on these videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, looking for the 10th time in a row, 9 for 9 calls for the drops of currency. That is how ridiculously accurate these two indicators are, and these are the two you guys get on sale today for 24 hours left. Again, I'm not going to turn this into a sales video, but look, if you have 24 hours left, I want to at least say something so you guys don't have to miss out and I get a bunch of emails saying I didn't promote it at all. So make sure you guys get that in the description, okay? What we're doing is we are using these indicators to call drops, to look for pumps, as well as exit positions, because here's the thing, guys. I just ended up calling an exit over here for us in Ethereum because of what? Because this indicator has actually called the last 12 drops on Ethereum, and we're pushing up to the top section here, getting overextended, and I wouldn't doubt if we start moving back down here, okay? This is why we use these. This is why we're not losing trades. 86 for 86 wins is because the indicators, the metrics, as well as our trade setups with risk management. All right. Let's continue here of Dogecoin. I want to bring us now over to this overarching view, this larger view of this It's not totally formed yet, but this is what's called a symmetrical triangle pattern. If you push these lines out far enough, it's symmetrical triangle pattern. We're in this ping pong back and forth right now, but we did end up breaking below this ascending, basically it was an ascending support. We broke below, it's ascending resistance now. We are right at this area where we could be doing a break, a retest, and a move back down. If it does, I would not be surprised because we are in the top section up here for the trend exhaustion, and it has called those last moves in a row. Pretty crazy how many times it's called the last 9 times in a row. Now, let's move over into the section where we actually look at the metrics here. And I'm going to go through this kind of fast, and then I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade setups so you guys don't miss any of our next wins. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when all of our metrics update. Let's take a look at this. Emotional index for Dogecoin has been pushed up into the neutral section. We have come from an anxious section for retail traders. Why? Because Dogecoin has been going down. People don't know if we're going to go to 10 cents or 5 cents again. A lot of millionaires were made when this was 5 cents. I don't think we're going to head down to 5 cents again. I personally hold Doge in here, and I bought down at a lower price down here with you guys who bought the buy limits, and we're just holding this. Obviously, this trade back here, guys, I did not trade Dogecoin when we got into this first trade. All I'm doing, guys, is I'm honoring everybody who took this trade. I do not forget you guys. I will never just skip a trade and go to the next one. I will hold this. If we have to hold this trade in here for 3 months, I'm going to do that so you guys can see that. Everything's going to be kept transparent on this channel. No silly business whatsoever, okay? None of that. All right? Long versus short trades. You guys are watching this, and this, like, do you guys want to just give me a guess where you think the favor lies on Dogecoin right now? Well, it's certainly not on short trades, because short trades were like, hey, we're going to get the heck out of the way here because this puppy is probably going to go up. Well, what happened? We saw the bottom get established here. We had a double bottom, maybe a little bear trap to the downside, and then we started to see this move back up. Long trades, yes, they are decreasing a little bit, but nowhere close, obviously, to what short trades are doing. This tells me this is bullish, and short trades are getting out of the way, and long trades are taking over. And even the guys in short trades that removed their short trades are most likely jumping on the long trades, pushing this up. All right, long versus short trade risk, showing you guys this is a metric value right in the middle of neutral. This tells you that it's, in my personal opinion, this is not the best time to just be jumping on. Why? Because we are at the top section of the trend exhaustion. Get set up on the buy limits that I'm about to show you guys how to enter into. That will give you guys an entry on a decrease or a discounted price for this currency, and then you want to ride it back up. We always use buy limits to give ourselves the best entries, okay? Coming down here, looking at the wells and institutions, all they've been doing is fluctuating back and forth between aggressiveness for how much of power they put into their long trades. That's all they've been doing. We have not at all got a single bar to the downside for short trades, okay? Now, question you guys are going to have, what's going on over here? Short trades are increasing, but down here, this shows the metric. This is just for the exchange of Bitfinex. It's one of the largest exchanges in all of the US to look for shorting. That's why I keep it on here. This is going to show us the overall market sentiment. Obviously, you guys know there's literally hundreds. I wouldn't doubt if there's actually close to a couple thousand exchanges out there to trade crypto. This is the overall market. That's how you guys need to read this. So on an overall market view, a snapshot, what smart money's been doing is they've been acquiring long trades. This is exactly what we have been doing on this all the way down here. We literally got picked up at really good spots down here. This is what you want to be doing. It is not, in my personal opinion, time to be selling whatsoever. It is time to be acquiring these long trades and riding this back up, okay? Michael Saylor just purchased a stupid amount of Bitcoin yesterday, and that could be triggering a lot of institutions to say, hey, if he's doing it, why shouldn't we do it? And they could be pumping the price here soon of the crypto market in general, all altcoins going up, okay? Looking at this for Dogecoin, the greatest resistance I see is this level right here, guys. It's right around this level of 25 cents, which is the psychological quarters theory level. 25 cents puts us very close into the profit here. What's most likely going to happen is a move down here and then a move back up, and on the second move, if we get enough bull momentum, we will push up next to 25 cents. I would love to take a profit on this trade right at this resistance here of 10.87% profit, which puts us right around this area of about 27 cents. That is where I'm going to be looking to take profit on this trade. Average between 10 to 15% on every trade that we take here. Yeah, we've done 32% on Bitcoin, 28% on DOT, ridiculous amounts on ADA, like 82% on ADA in the beginning of this year. On these trades here, I'm spot trading, so we're going to do about 10 to 15% per trade. It is the average out of all the 86 wins. All right, I'm going to show this to you guys real quick, and then I'll show you guys how to get into our next trade setups. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys are diamond hand holders, you have 10,000, you want to throw $1,000 in the market every single time you get a green line. Great, you guys are just holding this for the long term. May get another bar coming out here, but I'm not exactly sure if that's going to happen because we might actually just start moving up here with a bull market. So make sure you guys are watching that. All right, what I want to do now is show you guys how, and as far as drops coming and exit points, use this indicator over here to call the drops because that's what I'm looking at. 9 times in a row, this could be the 10th for 10th. That's the full analysis for Dogecoin. So I want to leave you guys there. If you're the OGs, you guys can exit this video. This second half is for everyone who's new and you guys want to learn how to set up our next trades here and you guys don't want to miss another trade and you want to trade with us. Here's how we do this. Let's do this. It's super fun. All right. The pricing for this is just $49 a month. I'm going to be upping the price of this for everybody in the first quarter, but probably before April 1st, so January, February, March. Going into April, before April 1st, this is going to be going up in price, all right? That's the current plan. I'll keep you guys updated. Everyone who gets in at $49 a month right now will be grandfathered in. Not a lot of people are doing this. I want to do this just to honor you guys who've been with me for a while. When this goes up, let's say it goes to 60, 70, 80, 100, 200, 300. I actually don't know the price we're going to up it to yet. I'm talking that with my team right now. I'll grandfather all of you guys in. Okay, that's going to give you access to all the metrics up here, but here's where you guys want to hang out because this is where the money is being made. Click live trades, and here you go. Here's the candy shop of all of the different cryptos. Obviously, today we've been talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin's right here, and this is where you guys want to click. Buy limits have been updated for a lot of coins, so make sure you're watching this. Here is how you guys trade this. Again, every single one of our wins have been called out right here, and I'll show you guys how we call exits, and I'll give you guys the bundle pack deal that's ending in 24 hours. Just give me a moment here. This is going to update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? What you're going to do is this. It's so simple. Take the trade allotment that you have and that you want to trade with this trade here, okay? To enter this trade, simply take the trade of the amount of cash you would like to allocate to this trade. Let's say it's $1,000. You pick the amount. Split your allocation into 4 equal portions, 25%, and place each of those levels, each of those prices at $250 at each of these prices here. Sorry, I'm getting a little tongue-tied this morning. Take the trade allotment you have, $1,000. 25% of your trade allotment goes at each buy limit. 4 buy limits, 25% each equals 100% of your trade allotment, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys want to then set your sell limit up here in the exchange for 100% of the trade right here. You guys need to check this every day. This is going to update. It currently says 11:29 because it's going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we literally have 18 minutes left, and then we're going to actually see this update because it's 7:42 right now. Once this updates, guys, this is the official calls for that day. So when this says 11:30, you guys know these are the official buy limits for that day. If your first buy limit hasn't been hit, but your first buy limit has been updated, update it in your exchange. And once your first buy limit gets hit, guys, just keep all your buy limits where they're at and set up your sell limit. And then for the fun part, follow me in Telegram where we are going to be taking some wins over here with the indicators. So once your buy limits are set up, sign up for Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then come over here and click Telegram access, and you guys will actually end up getting a hot link once you click this over into the Telegram channel where you guys will be able to see me use the indicators to call exits for us. And this is where I keep track of the wins, where we have gone literally, honest to God, guys, 86 for 86 wins on this channel. Now here is the Black Friday sale that's ending in 24 hours. Do not miss this. You guys are going to get, I know this is a lot in one video, but this is so simple. Get the membership and the indicators. You guys will have everything you need. And email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com if you guys have any questions, okay? You guys want to get this bundle pack deal. At minimum, you want the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to copy my charts. And this is how we're calling the last 9 drops on Doge, okay? With the indicators. Getting these 3 will allow you to copy my analysis, and these are exactly what I use for all my exits. You guys want to get the bundle pack because you're only paying a few more dollars, and you guys are getting 6 more indicators on top of these 3 that you can use for stocks, cryptos, and Forex. This bundle pack is 83% off. The individual indicators are only 58 to 60. If you guys only want one indicator, this is a better deal. I'm going to be honest with you. But if you guys want all the indicators, don't pass this up because I'm never going to have it lower than this price again, okay? You guys will also see this increase in price, $50 in 24 hours here, about 24 hours, December 1st at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The sale is going to go away. It's going to go up $50 from the discounted price with the coupon code. It's going to go up $50. And I am also going to be upping the price of the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion in Q1 of next year. Make sure you guys are not missing this. This literally is the best deal you guys will find. And we are not losing trades because of the indicators, because of the metrics and because of the risk management we are using. These are sold separately from the membership, so you guys can understand that. All right, so make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits. I'm looking for this possible move back down, getting you guys triggered into the next buy limit here, and then we can ride this back up together, and I will keep you guys updated on this trade here. God bless you guys so much. Make sure you have the indicators. Sorry, guys. Make sure you guys have the... I really just screwed that one up, didn't I? All right, make sure you guys are coming over here, set up your membership, $49 a month. Make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits. Make sure you are then joining the Telegram channel. You can also join it down here if you'd like. And this is 24 hours left. I'm about to change this and send out another newsletter for you guys so you don't miss it. And then make sure you guys are getting the indicators set up on your charts. That's all I've got for you guys. God bless you so much. Let's have an amazing time going into December where we're going to try to do 90 for 90 wins on this channel. And we're just going to go in 2022. I'm hoping we can actually hit, I know this is aggressive, 200 for 200 wins in crypto in the year of 2022. It is going to be the craziest record, but I think we can do it. So I'm not going to stop coming out with videos. You guys get everything you need in the description, and let's all keep making money here together. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.